here's Glovo App food and grocery delivery. So this is alternative food delivery app for some countries, specifically popular in Eastern Europe. It's the number one for ordering anything you want, with more than 240,000 restaurants and stores available and deliver in minutes. Download app now. Order a Glovo, easily order food, grocery, and gifts in your city without leaving home. 23 countries, as you can see here, where it's available. So Spain, Portugal, Romania, Morocco, Italy, Poland, Croatia, Ukraine, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Uganda, Armenia. So here you can see where it is. You can then just open it up. So unfortunately, it's like in very specific niche countries. For example, it's good when you're traveling, like to Spain, Portugal, or to somewhere there. And then you can just open it up. And then you can then just go and create an account. And then for example, if you want to give access, then you can see that right now you're out of delivery area, but then you can just see the details. And so then you can just start using it. So super easy, intuitive app and quite nice.